Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is menstruations, 10th class. We can discuss or we can see today formulas of cuboid. Very simple. Here, cuboid having formulas. First one is LSA. Here, LSA, that means lateral surface area. That formula is 2H into L plus B. Second one is total surface area, TSA. The formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. These two formulas discussed today now, and this one having volume also. Now see, this is the cuboid, rectangular shape of the some type of the box. Now see, surface area. Here how many surfaces? Which type of surfaces? Rectangular shape of surfaces have here. How many surfaces see here? This is the first one, front one. In this cuboid back side, this is front side, and back side also same type, same measurement rectangle have. This one and two, and top one and bottom side, and top one this one and bottom one this one. That means this type of rectangles, how many surfaces? Totally front to back, top to bottom, 4 surfaces of this type of rectangle. And again see, here one rectangle, this is the smaller one than this type of rectangle. Here left side one and right side one, 2 rectangles. Now total rectangles are here 6 rectangles. Front rectangle, back rectangle, top rectangle, bottom rectangle, right rectangle and left rectangle. These are all surfaces. But here lateral surface means except top and bottom. You don't see top and bottom. Surface horizontal to our body, horizontal to our landing position, that called as a lateral surface area. How many lateral surfaces? This is front one, right side, back side, left side. Except without top one and bottom one, these 4 sides are called lateral surfaces areas. Now see here, this type of the rectangle have L, length is L, breadth is H here, H. That means this type of rectangle here one, that is the front and back side. Front and back sides, this type of rectangles. And top and bottom also, top bottom. And this type of rectangle, length here B, breadth here H. This is the length equals to B, this is the breadth equals to H. Okay, right. This type of rectangles, how many see here? Left side, here one, right side, here one, 2 rectangles. This type of rectangles, front, back, top and bottom. Okay, now we have 2 this type of rectangles, front and back. This type of rectangles here and here, left and right. Now first one, see, lateral surface area. Lateral surfaces, how many surfaces? 4 surfaces. That is front surface, back surface, right surface, left surface. These are all total rectangles. Area of rectangle equals to L into B formula. This is the common formula of rectangle. Now here front one is this one, front one is this one. L is equal to L, B is equal to H. L into H here. That reason we can write here LH. Back one also that type of same rectangle, that one also LH. Now right side of rectangle, here length equals to B, breadth equals to H, BH. That reason we can write right rectangle BH. Left rectangle also same. That means here also BH. Here LH plus LH 2LH, BH plus BH 2BH. Now in these two terms 2 is common and H also a common. 2H are common. That reason we take outside 2H common into here remain L and B. L plus B. This is the LSA, lateral surface area formula. Now see total surface area. Lateral surface area 4 faces and total means top and bottom also including. Total 6 faces. Okay. Lateral surface area 4 surfaces plus top and bottom. Okay students. Here lateral surface area means 4 sides, 4 faces and top side, top face and bottom face also. Now we already find out LSA area 2H into L plus B. Now we want top. Top means L into H. Bottom also same LH area rectangle. Now 2HL, 2HB, LH plus LH, 2LH. In these three terms 2 is the common. That reason we take 2 common. Here LB, BH, LH. LBH, this is cyclic form. LB 2 terms, BH 2 terms, HL 2 terms. LB plus BH plus LH. This is the formula of total surface area TSA. Okay students.